Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve problem of Forcestop on Netflix. You click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about the application of Netflix. Here we click on Forcestop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.